What does success mean to you? For most people, success is synonymous with profit. After all, a business that's making money is surely a successful one, right? But the truth is, profit is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to measuring success. Success can also be measured in the satisfaction of your customers, the engagement of your employees, and the impact you have on your community. In fact, businesses that prioritize these areas often find that increased profits follow as a result. Sustainability is also an important factor to consider when measuring success. A company that is socially and environmentally responsible is likely to have a positive impact on the world and be more attractive to customers and investors. In today's fast-paced world, innovation is also a key to success. Companies that encourage creativity and collaboration are often ones that stay ahead of the game. Finally, success can be measured by the personal growth and development of your employees. Investing in your team's personal development not only benefits them, but it also benefits your company in the long run. So while profit is certainly important, it's not the only measure of success. By focusing on factors such as customer satisfaction, employee engagement, social responsibility, innovation, and personal development, you can create a truly successful business that makes a positive impact in the world. Businesses should focus on their ESG and sustainability data because it can help them identify areas for improvement and ultimately contribute to their long-term success and resilience in a rapidly changing world.